be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Good morning, guys. Happy another day of Vlogmas. I'm gonna get it together. Since I pre-recorded videos and I'm doing like sit-down videos, I don't know what day of Vlogmas this is, but I'm gonna get it together. Next Vlogmas video I will let y'all know what day of Vlogmas it is, but whatever insert number day of Vlogmas, happy that day of Vlogmas. I'm just waking up, guys. It's Monday. Today's a very busy day for me. I'm not feeling too good, so like I kind of slept in. So right now it is 11:50 and I was supposed to wake up at like 8-9 o'clock. I like to wake up around 8 or 9 to get my day started early, but I was in a little bit of pain, so I just, you know, slept in, took medicine, and then, you know, got my morning started a little slow. So just washed my face, brushed my teeth, did my skincare routine, and moisturized my face and my lips because they was dry. But yeah, so let me run down what I have to do today, if that even matters, like. But yeah, this is what I have to do. I wrote it down in my planner. So basically I have to do some Style by Simone stuff. So for my Black Friday sale, I got a couple orders. I have to order the fabric and the jeans from my vendor. So that's real easy, that's nothing too crazy. I have to do a Target run for some Christmas presents, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. I called my pharmacy already for a skincare prescription that I didn't need, that they were about to send me, that I ain't need no more. Workout, meal prep. I tutor for the college in my city, so I have to tutor at 3. And then I gotta go through my memory card because it's Vlogmas and I gotta have storage for y'all. If I don't have storage, guys, I'm gonna go crazy. I have a campaign going live today, so I have to edit that video, and I'm supposed to be actually editing it now because I wanted it to go up before 12. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna edit that picture, not video, picture I meant to say. Edit that picture real quick and post it. And if you guys are not following me, what is this on my face? If y'all are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me. It's at all things Jadasimone, to see all my bomb wonderful pictures and my cute content, and to see all my campaigns. So yeah, this is a campaign that is gonna go live. I have a try on haul here because I'm getting a package today from a clothing company, but I think I'm gonna push it to tomorrow since today is so jam-packed. And I was gonna do a reel, but I think I'm gonna push that to tomorrow as well. Edit my Vlogmas intro because it gotta be edited, and edit some Vlogmas footage for more days of Vlogmas. I have to send Tanisha some clips, and then I have to vlog today, so I'm vlogging. And then I have some graphic stuff, so after I post the campaign picture, I'm gonna show y'all the graphic stuff that I gotta do, I guess. Yeah, it's not too crazy. I only have like a couple things, but I just feel like today is like such a busy day. I'm super excited. I think we're going to get our Christmas tree today. I'm not sure, but I'm excited nonetheless. I'm pretty boring, that's why I didn't want to vlog every single day of Vlogmas, but I do stuff, but it's kind of boring stuff. Like, you know, I do my workouts, I do my graphics, I do my orders for Style by Simone, I edit, I go to the store and buy stuff, like. But I feel like that stuff is kind of worth vlogging. So let me stop rambling and I'll see y'all in the next clip. So I'm gonna show y'all like how I do my campaign stuff. So as you guys know, I do have a photographer on my team. So last weekend we shot for my campaign, and I'm just going through the pictures to see which pictures I want to use for the campaign. I'm gonna choose 3 pictures. So the idea is I'm gonna choose a picture of me smiling with my face showing, holding the product, then a picture of like a action shot of me using the product, and then a product shot of the picture. So those 3 pictures are going to be in the campaign post. So let me show y'all some of the footage that we got. So here's one picture. I think I might end up using this picture. I don't know. Yeah, don't mind that picture. I still look cute, but it was off guard. So I might use this picture. Maybe this one. Not that. Not that. I kind of was feeling this picture to use. This one is the same thing, but it's just zoomed in a little bit. These are, I think I'm gonna use this one as like the action shot of me using the product, because I'm kind of like squeezing it out of the tube. And then these are kind of off guards. Yeah, these are not, I'm not using these. Yes, and then I'm gonna use this one as the product shot. Yeah. All right, got my 3 pictures. So what I'm going to do, why is it so yellow? I don't know, it's super yellow. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to download these. So they're in Google Drive right now. So what my photographer does is he uploads all my pictures into Google Drive, and then I can download them to my computer and then send them to my phone to edit. So I'm gonna download those 3, send them to my phone, edit them real quick. There's not too much editing that needs to be done to them. Just using my preset that I love to use so that everything looks cohesive on my page. So get that done, upload it, and it will be uploaded. Right now it's 11:56. It will be uploaded by like 12:10. Real quick, real simple, and get that out the way. Y'all, so my package my package came from his little thing that I was telling you about. However, another package that wasn't supposed to get here until tomorrow just came, and I'm super excited. I had to go run and get the camera so I can show y'all. But yeah, so these are the 2 packages. That's a pretty little thing, and then that's the other one for Stop by Simone. Don't mind down here. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to, I'm leaving these in the dining room for real until tomorrow, because I'm gonna film 2 try-on-hauls for them. And yeah, I'm super excited though. Like, I don't know, I've just been really excited for both these things. I can't wait to style this. And dang, my bag got a little hole in it, so I hope everything inside of it. If not, I will be complaining and getting my money back. But yeah, so my campaign is finally up. Like I said, if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me, because my content is bomb on Instagram. But the campaign is up, and this was actually a campaign with Mary Ruth's for their liquid elderberry immunity drops, and these are so freaking good. And you know, with COVID going on, we just need to build our immune systems. And I know like certain multivitamins and like immune boosting remedies and serums, sometimes they be nasty, but this this tastes really good. It's blueberry and raspberry, so I would advise you to get these. And it's pretty cheap, it's only like $10, and it says that is a 1 to 2 month supply, so get y'all some. Sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath, I kind of am. But yeah, posted the campaign. I did the graphic stuff that I needed to do, so now I'm about to just get the rest of my day started. So now I'm meal prepping. Yeah, I forgot I was vlogging, so I had to run upstairs to get my camera, and then I forgot my memory card was in my camera. Yo, stressed. But yeah, I'm meal prepping right now. I'm trying to find a way to set y'all up, because it's nothing special. I'll show y'all when I'm done what I made and stuff. So let's see.
Yourself. A merry little Christmas. We go. promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss